Hi, I'm Lindy from Australia's Best Recipes.
Let's make these French onion sausage rolls. Combine 1 kilo of pork mince, 35 grams of French onion soup mix, 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, 1 tablespoon of tomato ketchup, and 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard. Season with pepper and mix well. Cut 3 sheets of puff pastry in half and place a portion of the mince mixture down the length of each half to make a log shape. Brush egg wash along the length of the pastry on one side of the mince mixture and roll up each log. French onion soup mix adds a lovely flavour to these sausage rolls. You can whip them up to feed a crowd in no time at all. Cut each log into 6 or 8 small pieces and bake for 20 to 25 minutes until golden and cooked through.
For more from our community of home cooks, visit bestrecipes.com.au.